I'm just waiting for my patient to eat his little bit sleep.
Okay.
He
I
said,
just wanted to say hi. I want to prepare breakfast.
yeah.
Okay.
Wow, what a cute dog you have.
All right. Thank you.
Last night, I don't know why there's no connection.
Yeah, I don't know why too.
Yeah. How are you?
I am fine.
You're looking
I will be
very.
so I will be so busy today.
You're going to work?
I told you yesterday that I will be going to shopping and
Ay,
other
sorry.
things.
Yeah.
So once I'm done, I will let you know, okay?
Yeah.
Take care.
Okay. Take care. You have a cute dog, huh?
Thank you.
Yeah. Sir, ito yung usapan namin na magsha-shopping siya. Sabi niya, I'm going to shopping now. Take care of yourself. Sabi ko, you too, take care. Sabi ko, thanks for your heart kasi may heart siyang sinend sa akin. Tapos ito sabi niya, There, I just want to let you know I did some shopping for myself and I did bought you few things hoping you will like them when you get it. Hehehe. I actually wanted to make it a surprise to you, but that is but to you that I don't have details to send them across to you via courier service. But why I'm telling you now, do send me the contact address so I can send it. Dear, send your name, address, hiningi niya. So I just want to use the opportunity to say for you the prayers and support. Kasi nga pinag-pray ko siya na makuha niya yung kontrata sa Turkey kasi engineer siya. meron siyang interview para makuha yung kontrata. Tapos sabi niya, send ko nga daw. Ako naman, siyempre, nahiya ako sa kanya na hindi tanggapin. Sabi ko, okay, mag-send ako. Tapos sabi ko sa kanya, there, kasi there yung tawag niya sa akin, Junior ko yung tawag ko sa kanya. Sabi ko, promise me you will not do it again. I think, nagpasalamat ako. Tapos nandiyan yung address ko. Okay. Tapos sabi niya, hindi na doon niya uulitin. Sabi ko, please keep your promise na you will never do it again. Tapos riniformat ko yung address kasi yan yung tamang pagsulat. This is the format when you do it in a address. My dear friend, please don't do it again. I was surprised that you will send me a gift. It's not necessary to give me a gift, my dear friend. It's enough to be a good friend of yours. And that's it. No need to send anything, please. Yan, sinurbol niya kung yan yung address ko. Tapos nag-thank you ako. Tapos ito yung items. Okay. Nasa bag, pero hindi niya pinakita yung loob. Yan siya. Tapos ito yung sinend sa akin na tracking number. Yan. Nandiyan yung pangalan niya, address niya, number niya. Tapos ito yung company, Worldwide Travels. Tapos ito yung website. Binigay niya sa akin. Tapos sabi ko, speechless ako sa ginawa niya. Tapos yan na siya. Tapos nung chinek ko sa website, diyan ko nalaman, sir, ito may 20 ay may 1,000 ILS dito sa bandang kanan sa pinakababa. May babayaran. Tapos sabi ko, on the way daw kasi kahuhulog niyang lang niya. Sabi ko, do I need to pay delivery? Hindi niya sagot. Ang sabi lang niya, regalo mula sa puso. Ganyan siya mag-ano sa akin. Pinaikot niya ako. Tapos sinasakyan ko siya para hindi siya mag-ano sa akin. Para mag-reply siya. Yan. Tapos yung inutusan niya ako mag-inquire, sinend ko sa kanya yung sagot ng company, yung pinadalhan niya. Tapos sabi niya, okay dear, bayaran ko daw. Diba, sabi niya, I keep 20 pounds cash inside for you. Used to take care of yourself and give little amount to orphanage. Gift nga daw niya sa akin. Diba? Tapos pinapakalma niya ako kasi natakot niya ako. Bakit naglagay siya ng pera? Bawal yun. Tapos sabi pa niya, message them now how to pay the clearance. Diba? Pinapaano niya sa akin para mabayaran ko nga yung 1,000. Hindi naman ako nagbayad. Sabi ko, antayin ko na lang dito. Tapos nakukulitan na sa akin kasi nga I talk like a woman daw. Madami akong sinasabi. Siyempre, pera yan involved. Diba? Naintindihan naman na daw niya ako, pero yan niya, sabi niya, you should not be worrying anything. Let me do the things. Diba? Ganyan siya. Pero sabi ko pa rin, takot ako. Kasi nung reply niya. Ganyan siya. Hiningan ko siya ng picture, wala siyang may bigay. Yung sa mismong package sa loob. Tapos parang baliwala lang. Nag-send pa siya ng pagkain niya. Nagpipix pa ako kay Lolo. Tapos hiningan ko siya ng resibo. Kasi binili niyang relo, binili niyang iPhone 4 at saka suit. Wala siyang may bigay. Yan, tawagan ko, ayaw na sagutin. Nakailang tawag ako. Tapos sabi niya, I'm preparing my flight daw. Iwan kung totoo, mag-flight na daw siya papuntang Turkey. Tapos kunwari, sabi ko okay dyan. Tapos hindi ko napigilan. Sabi ko, sige na, gusto kita makita before ka mag-flight. Ayaw niya talaga. Para ka ako makita kita. Sabi niya, why do you like always call? I really don't understand. What's your reason? Sabi ko, gusto ko. I love to. Sorry, I don't like. Sabi niya. Sabi ko, why? I have enough called you before. That's enough. Yung call namin isang bisis lang. Ilang minuto lang yun. Diba? Nagbabago na rin siya dito. Ganyan siya. Yung mga reply niya sa akin. Tapos kinukulit ko siya. Kunwari gusto ko talaga siya makita. Para makita ko sir kung totoong magpa-flight siya. Kung totoong aalis siya sa araw na yan. Ay nitong araw na to. 3 AM sa kanila. Yan, nagagalit na siya. Ayaw na niya makipag-usap sa akin. Nagagalit na. Tapos sabi ko, simple picture you cannot give. Sabi ko, I don't expect things from you. Just to be friend is enough. I am not into material or money. Sabi ko, you get what I mean. True friend doesn't involve any material or money. Sabi ko sa kanya, you can't buy. Money is nothing. Useless. Sabi ko. Yan ang reply niya. Because I bought you gifts means I'm not true friend right now. You're such an ungrateful human being. Sabi niya sa akin. Sabi ko, let me tell you frankly, I think this is not true. Tapos sabi niya, message the company to cancel the parcel. Sabi ko, especially the gifts and the money. Fine, cancel it. So sabi niya, ako pa yung inutusan niya magpa-cancel. Sabi ko naman sa kanya, you can call them to cancel. Kasi sa kanya naman yun eh. Diba? Galit na siya ganyan. Don't ever message me again. It's yours, not mine, sabi ko. Tinatawag niya akong babae na call you scared like a woman, sabi niya. Sabi ko, I'm not scared, frankly. I am sorry for you, what you did, sabi ko. You did wrong thing, sabi ko. Putting money is not allowed in a package. It was huge amount, sabi ko. You are educated. Why you do that, sabi ko sa kanya. It's a question from authorities, especially the customs. You know that it's a high-tech scan. You know that they have a high-tech scanner, sabi ko sa kanya. They will detect everything, single items within the package, sabi ko. I'm scared of you. Natatakot ako para sa kanya. I am sincerely afraid what will happen for you, sabi ko. Tapos sabi niya dito, how are you sure I put money inside? Because I just said that this is what you scared like a woman. You disappoint me. Nagagalit na siya dito. Tapos sabi ko, so you lied to me, sabi ko, that there is 20,000 pounds. Sabi ko, is that a joke? That's not a good joke, sabi ko. Do you know your problem? Sabi ko, frankly, are you playing with me? Takot daw ako. Sabi ko, don't play on me. For God's sake, sabi ko, this is ridiculous. Sabi niya, I put money inside for real, but I don't know why you are scared. You act like a woman, sabi niya, why? Sabi ko, why not in remittance? Diba? Kung totoo siyang magpapadala, bakit isiksik niya doon sa sapatos na yon? I just wanted to be surprised, sabi niya. I'm not forcing you. It can be cancelled, okay? Sabi ko, it's up to you there. Yan ang usapan namin. So, ayun na nga guys. That's what happened to me. Na muntik na akong ma-scam. Dahil dyan sa, ano na yan, sa Koreano na si Ji-yu. O ano bang pronunciation sa kanyang pangalan. So, dahil dito guys, naging lesson learned talaga ito sa tanang buhay ko na don't talk to strangers. Pag may pera ng involved, agad umaksyon, kagaya ng ginawa ko, makipag-usap sa mga tamang tao, tamang grupo, at siyempre sa ating otoridad. So maraming salamat po sa Philippine Embassy, sa advice, sa lahat-lahat po, at siyempre sa NAPEL ko. Thank you very much to all of you upon guiding me. God bless you and more power to everybody. Again, ito si Papa Ranz. God bless you and more power.